What's up, everyone? Rally Mother here, and today we are going over Tornado Basics 101. So, yeah, the power might go out. We're going to have to go back up to the power generator like last time. But, this time, we're going to have fun doing this. So, I just got called to do something while we're going. Yeah, producer, what do you need? Yeah, what the? Power's out. I keep rolling then. Here, let's get this back up. Here. Get this back up plugged in. Backup light. Oh, that's not good. Our creation just collapsed. There we go. There's our extra light. You can see that this half is all dark and this half all lit up. Okay. Now we might run out of backup power because our camera is connected to a screen. There we go. What is, credits is NOAA and NSSL. What is a tornado? A tornado is a narrow, violently rotating column of air that extends from a thunderstorm to the ground. Because wind is invisible, it is hard to see a tornado unless it forms a condensation funnel made up of water droplets, dust, and debris. Tornadoes can be among the most violent phenomena of all of atmospheric storms we experience. That means, unlike last time, we had a thunderstorm. And the record date of last time was maybe a month ago. I just haven't really edited since. Anyways, guys, yeah, so, yeah. Where do tornadoes occur? Tornadoes occur in many parts of the world, including Australia, Europe, Africa, Asia, and South America. Even New Zealand reports about 20 tornadoes each year. Two of the highest concentrations of tornadoes outside the U.S. are Argentina and Bangladesh. I don't know if I'm saying it right. Tell me if I'm saying it right. Don't tell me your mom, please. Please don't. How many tornadoes occur in the U.S. each year? About 1,200 tornadoes hit the U.S. yearly. Since official tornado records only date back to 1950, we do not know the actual average number of tornadoes that occur each year. Plus, tornado spotting and reporting methods have changed a lot over the past several decades, which means that we are observing more tornadoes that actually happen. Like me, I'm a tornado chaser. Well, not an actual tornado chaser, but I do hunt. Uh-oh, we just lost full power. Good thing I have this on a power socket. Huh. I hear the backup generator kicking in. No, I gotta go fix this electricity. We have it up and running, you guys. Yes, we're back online. Oh. Oh. Yeah, we have a thunderstorm going on, guys. Sorry about this. Right now, where were we? Where is Tornado Alley? Tornado Alley is a nickname invented by the media to refer to a broad area of relatively high tornado occurrence in the central United States. Various Tornado Alley maps look different because tornado occurrences can be measured in many ways. Oh, okay, okay. Maps look different because tornado occurrence measured by the ways many ways by all tornadoes, tornado country segments, strong and violent tornadoes only, and databases with enough time periods. However, the idea of Tornado Alley can be misleading. The U.S. tornado threat shifts from the southeast in the cooler months of the year toward the southern and central plains in May and June, and the northern plains and Midwest during early summer. Tornadoes can occur and have been reported in all 50 states. Can you believe that? Even Hawaii has tornadoes. Hawaii. Can you believe that? Even, well, I can believe Alaska. Actually, I don't know. Please remember, violent tornadoes do happen outside Tornado Alley every year. So, I live in PA. We had a tornado here. Crazy. When are tornadoes most likely? Now, we know there's hurricane season, tornado season, flood season, rain happens anytime. When are tornadoes most likely? Tornado season often refers to the time of the year the U.S. sees the most tornadoes. The peak tornado season for the southern plains, e.g., Texas, Oklahoma, Kansas, is from May into early June. On the Gulf Coast, it is earlier in the spring. In the northern plains and upper Midwest, North and South Dakota, Nebraska, Iowa, and Minnesota, tornado season is in June or July. But remember, tornadoes can happen at any time of the year. Tornadoes can also happen at any time of day or night. But most tornadoes occur between 4 and 9 p.m. Which, night tornadoes, you never wanted to do it. Never. Ever. What is the difference between a tornado watch and tornado warning? Now, if you watched last week's video, not last month, last week's video, you would see that we already went over this. It's the same exact area, but a tornado warning is different. A tornado warning is issued by your local NOAA, National Weather Service Forecast Office. Meteorologists who watch the weather 24/7 over a designated area. This means a tornado has been reported by spotters or indicated by a radar, and there is serious threat to life and property to those in a path of a tornado. A tornado warning indicates that you should act now to find a safe shelter. A warning can cover parts of countries or several counties, counties, in the path of danger. So that means you find shelter now. Anywhere, even if there's a tornado warning, you act now. How is a tornado strength rated? To determine the strength of a tornado, experts examine the damage it caused. From this information, we can estimate the wind speeds and enhanced Fujita scale was implemented by the National Weather Service in 2007 or 2007 to rate tornadoes in a more consistent and accurate manner. The EF scale takes into account more variables than the original Fujita scale, F scale, when assigning a wind speed rating to a tornado, incorporating 28 damage indicators such as building type, structures, and trees. For each damage indicator, there are 8 degrees of damage ranging from the beginning of the visible damage to complete destruction of the damage indicator. The original F scale did not take these details into account. The original F scale historical database will not change. An F5 tornado rated years ago is still an F5, but the wind speed associated with the tornado may have been somewhat less than previously estimated. A correlation between the original F scale and the EF scale has been developed. This makes it possible to express ratings in terms of one scale to another, preserving the historical database. How do tornadoes form? The truth is that we don't fully understand that, like, at all. I am really not in picture. 1 second. There we go. The most destructive tornadoes occur from supercells, which are rotating thunderstorms with a well-defined radar circulation called a mesocyclone. Supercells can also produce damaging hail, severe non-tornadic winds, with winds, frequent lightning, and flash floods. Tornado formation is believed to be dictated mainly by things which happen on the storm scale. In and around the mesocyclone, recent theories and results from the Vortex 2 program suggest that once a mesocyclone is underway, tornado development is related to the temperature differences across the edge of downdraft air wrapping around the mesocyclone. Mathematical modeling studies of tornado formation also indicate that it will happen without such temperature patterns, and in fact, very little temperature variation was observed near some of the most destructive tornadoes in history. On May 3rd, 1999, we still have lots of work to do. Be careful, tornadoes can form and being condensed to the ground without fully condensed funnel. That is Tornado Basics with you. We have went over thunderstorm and tornado. Complete. Well, guys, that was your weather. Now, we take things into a bigger hand by taking down this stupidly big rain screen. This fits. Okay, we're gonna watch it as it falls down. After I take down one piece by piece by piece. There we go. Done. Thank you guys for watching. See you all later.